All right, YouTube. Today we're here with Miss Hartley's second grade class, and we are going to do a eagle for Veterans Day. So, what's important for this is that you start where I start, because we're going to actually start with the beak. And if we start too high, you're not going to have room for his head. So I pretty much start right in the middle of the paper. And so here's what I do for the beak. The first line goes like this. Just try your best. It comes out and curves, just like that. Remember, it's just a beak. Okay? Now, we're going to do the top part of the beak first, because a beak has two parts, top and bottom, because it opens and closes, right? So for the top part, it goes like this. It's a little diagonal line up, a long diagonal line down, and then we just connect these two like this. The beak's probably the hardest part. The rest of this is easy. But I don't even think it's that hard. Now for the bottom of the beak, it's even easier. All we're going to do is I'm not starting at the very tip. I'm starting right about here, and I'm doing diagonal down. And then I'm just going to go and connect this right to the top like this. Boom. Okay, so that is our eagle's beak. If you want to, you can put a little line right here. They have like, I technically don't know if it's a nostril or what it is, but they do have a little line there. All right, now for the head. I'm going to start not at the very tip, but just in a little bit. And I'm going to come up and curve back, but stop once you get up there. We don't want to go, you could go all the way around, but a bald eagle I think looks way cooler when we start to do this. Watch. I'm going to just go like some zigzag back and forth. So I'm going to go all the way down to about there. This side, I need to look and use my imaginary line and say, okay, if this would come out right down here, and this side we don't need the zigzags really. It's just going to kind of come straight down, but we are going to connect it with some zigzags going in all different directions. Okay? Now the body's easy because we can't see most of it. So what I do is do you ever see a bald eagle, how his shoulders are this way and he's turned and he's looking? So what I do is I kind of make this one go straight down, but this one I kind of bring it way over, like this. Okay? Now I want him to look tough, which is why when you look at this one, check it out. This little curve of the eye. Okay, so you want to go like this. It's just kind of like a curve like that. And then all I do is somewhere on that curve, I make a circle for an eye with another one inside of it. And you don't have to do these lines, but look, see how I thought it looked really cool with the American flag? All you do for that is watch. The invisible lines go like this. Straight across, but if you end up touching, remember, you do that little invisible line. So watch, if I draw here, I'm going to stop, pick up my marker or pencil, invisible line, and say, where would it come out at? Right here. Stop, invisible line, all the way to the other side of the beak, and go. And this is what I would do the whole way across. But you don't have to do that. I had some people that just drew stars. Some people did other things. And when it's all colored, it looks like this dude. All right, so Miss Hartley's class, everybody say bye, YouTube.